Sasha! Sasha! Jen! Jen! I was trying to get my wife and daughter to sit in the cup closer, but she wanted the purple one, so she gets the purple one.
Welcome to the Mad Tea Party, where everything is quite mad. To ensure your safety, please remain seated with your hands on. Well, hello there. Welcome to our unbirthday party. For your safety,
It's an unbirthday party.
seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup. And do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster it spins. Well, it seems our party is about to begin. Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el Mad Tea Party. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la
Over
masa.
there is the
Y por
Alice in
favor,
Wonderland
cuide
ride.
sus pequeñitos. Gracias.
Enjoy your cup of tea.
There you
Looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
All right, there's the teacup.
Are you going to walk to the nearest exit? Thank you.
Here's the Alice in Wonderland ride. Going into the wonder. Cheshire Cat